The new version of the RGB Target for laser tag has an entirely new display design, functionality and backlight system. Now the details. The system supports 5 modes. It can count hits, determine the weapon damage, identify the player and show the data. But the most attractive feature is an arcade shooting range. By activating the device as a shooting range, you get a standalone attraction that will be a great competitive advantage for your club. Place a few devices around the player and give him the weapon. Hit the target as soon as you see it flashing with a bright light. The frequency of activation, flash duration and hit points can be edited. Get as many points as you can during a set period of time. RGB Target. Same device, new approach. LaserWar.